I'm going to show you how I went about creating the coupler that uncouples when I want it to, using a servo, Arduino board, and a magnet. This servo here controls the switch. So whenever this servo is activated, the LED will light up. In this case it's amber, and you can see the track has been switched. So if I switch it back, the light goes out. And also for this servo, it controls the uncoupling magnet, and whenever it's activated, its LED will turn green, meaning that the magnet is active, so uncoupling can occur. But to deactivate it, I press the button and the servo shifts the magnet to the center of the track, which disables the uncoupling. Here's a look at how I did the couplers, also a look at the testing that I do after I install them on each car. As we watch the coupling and uncoupling on my little test track here, notice the panel on the left with the colored buttons on it, and also notice the little color boxes around the layout. Each one of those colored boxes is represented with a LED on top of it and a servo close to it. So that way, if you want to operate a certain switch, you just push the button that corresponds to that particular color of box. And in this case, the blue box controls the track on the far side. The yellow box controls the magnet for uncoupling on that little siding. And then in the front here, the green box or green button is the uncoupling, and the red button is the track switch. There's also a white button, and that controls the uncoupling and coupling magnet that's on the main line there up in the front. As always, if you have any questions, you can send me an email, leave a comment, or give me a phone call, and I'll help you as best I can. Thank you for your time, and enjoy the hobby.